Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly achieve their goals while others struggle to stay consistent? The secret might just lie in one powerful skill: delayed gratification. This simple yet life-changing ability to resist immediate temptations for a greater reward later is a cornerstone of success in almost every area of life, from health and relationships to career and finances. Today, we're diving into the fascinating science behind delayed gratification and exploring 5 practical habits you can start today to build this superpower. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to take control of your impulses and unlock your full potential. So, if you've ever struggled with staying disciplined or sticking to long-term goals, stick around. This one's for you. What is delayed gratification and why does it matter? Delayed gratification is the ability to put off immediate rewards in favor of achieving something bigger or better in the future. Think of it as short-term sacrifice for long-term gain. Research, including the famous marshmallow test conducted by psychologist Walter Mischel, shows that people who master this skill tend to perform better academically, maintain healthier relationships, and even live longer. In a world of instant gratification, where everything from food delivery to social media is just a click away, this skill is more important than ever. So how do you develop it? Let's break it down into 5 simple habits. 1. Set clear and specific goals. It's easier to delay gratification when you have a clear vision of what you're working toward. Instead of saying, "I want to save money," set a specific goal like, "I want to save $5,000 for a vacation next year." Specific goals give you something tangible to focus on, making it easier to resist impulsive decisions that might derail you. Action tip: write down your goals and break them into smaller milestones. Celebrate when you hit each milestone to stay motivated. 2. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness helps you stay in the moment and recognize when you're being tempted by short-term rewards. It trains your brain to pause and evaluate your choices before acting on impulse. For example, instead of mindlessly scrolling social media, you might decide to spend that time reading a book or working on a hobby that aligns with your long-term goals. Action tip: start with just 5 minutes of mindfulness meditation a day. Use apps or guided sessions to help you build this habit. 3. Develop the habit of planning ahead. When you plan ahead, you're less likely to fall prey to impulsive decisions. This could mean meal prepping for the week to avoid unhealthy fast food or setting a monthly budget to curb unnecessary spending. Planning creates structure, and structure makes it easier to prioritize long-term rewards. Action tip: use tools like planners, calendars, or apps to organize your schedule and stick to your plan. 4. Reward yourself along the way. While delayed gratification is about resisting immediate rewards, that doesn't mean you should deprive yourself entirely. Small, planned rewards can keep you motivated and prevent burnout. For instance, if your goal is to finish a big project, treat yourself to a nice dinner or a relaxing evening once you hit a major milestone. Action tip: create a reward system that aligns with your goals. For example, if you're saving money, choose low-cost but meaningful rewards, like a movie night at home. 5. Build a support system. Surround yourself with people who encourage your long-term goals. A strong support system keeps you accountable and provides motivation when your willpower wanes. Share your goals with friends, family, or even an online community. You'll be less likely to give in to temptation when others are cheering you on. Action tip: find an accountability partner or join a group that shares similar goals. Regular check-ins can make a huge difference. Why these habits work? The key to mastering delayed gratification is consistency. These habits work because they help you rewire your brain to focus on long-term benefits rather than short-term pleasures. Over time, practicing these habits becomes second nature, and you'll find it easier to stay disciplined in all areas of life. Delayed gratification isn't just about saying no to something now. It's about saying yes to a brighter, more fulfilling future. By practicing these 5 habits, you're not only building self-discipline but also unlocking your potential to achieve incredible things. So, which habit are you going to start with today? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on personal growth and success strategies. Share this video with someone who could use a little extra motivation. And remember, the power to change your future starts with the choices you make today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.